What's up, traders? What are you trading today? This is NASDAQ 100 Yasin, and you can see these entries I've got here. These sniper entries. These are entries. So this is a head and shoulder type of setup we have here. Some of entries made on this trade were based off the head and shoulder trading pattern, which is a reversal pattern, by the way. So if you haven't checked out this trading pattern, you should. So for the start, I'll try to maybe go through my thinking analysis behind this trade. So the first entry I made wasn't based off this being the head and shoulder, as you can see, because the head and shoulder, we have the left shoulder, then the head, then we have the right shoulder. So this is what completes the head and shoulder. Two shoulders, the head and the right shoulder. So the first entry wasn't based off the head and shoulder setup. Why? Because the left leg had not yet formed, but instead I was anticipating that to happen, and I was also looking at the support and resistance, demand and supply zone. So you can see this area. Let me just shade it so that we do that correctly. So you can see this area served as support resistance. Around here the market couldn't go down. You've seen around here some rejections. There you have here a lot of rejections around here, and then you have a situation where these rejections, and also there's that pin bar here, sign signaling bearish movement. Then if I go on the lower time frame again, that's 15-minute chart, you can see there's what was going on here. You can see what was going on here. So entry for this one, if I go on the 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart, you can see what was going on here. You can see what was going on here. You have this situation where these bearish candle, you can see how strong they are. Like, check out, of course, this movement, of course, they're a bit of stronger bullish candle here, not so much here, not so much here. You have this bearish move and not so much bullish move, and you have this candle forming here. The moment this candle started forming, I did strike here. Indeed, you can see the end result. Of course, this was in view of the longer time frame, wasn't analyzing based off the 5-minute chart or norm. This was based off the analysis on the higher time frame, on the 1 hour, and also on the 4 hour, mostly 1 hour. So you can see, so my anticipation was that this area was gonna hold, and I was gonna place my stop loss, or I did place my stop loss around that area, few pips above these candles, these bearish candles. So few pips above these candles here. Of course, it was somewhere here. That's where my stop loss was. That's where my stop loss was. And then the rest is history. If you look at that, this was towards the opening of the New York session. The New York session. So you can see that move, that significant move with the big boys. So that significant move was so much, and that allowed us to assist. That allowed us to have an opportunity to enter more trades. So I have my neckline here. This is my neckline there. So this move, of course, I was anticipating a pullback. So this entry should have been made, or maybe if you're trading the head and shoulders now, this would have been the entry. So I have my horizontal support there. So you have the market reject this region around here. Even here we couldn't get close below, so this also was my horizontal level. This was my horizontal level, and yeah, and the market just came to pull here this strong candle. You can see how strong it is, and the rejection here up here on this confluence here, you can see that rejection. Let's just go on the 30-minute chart. We see on the 30-minute chart we actually even have a pin bar. On the 15-minute chart we also have a pin bar there signaling a reversal. If we go on the 5-minute chart, we have that situation there. So I did strike here, I did sell from there, did sell from here as well, and the market kept on selling. Then I had also an opportunity to add another entry from there. So you can see where I'm making entries. These are areas where the market is pulling back, and like the two entries I've made, it's where the market, these are the most safest entries, because this entry, when I made this entry, once this candle forms, if I had a wider stop loss, maybe somewhere above there, I'll even be able to put my stop loss up there. Like it's just few pips. It's just few pips that and for those that are aggressive, there are those aggressive traders. These are the entries that when you make these entries, you'll be safe. You even forget about it or looking at the trade, mostly you'll be safe. Yeah, so these are the kind of entries that when you make entries like this, you'll be safe. And also this also pull back here, and I sold. You can see the rest is history, what was going on. So we are here. We'll see how far this thing will drop. The most important thing about this is when you make entries like this gives you much freedom to. So let's say if the market started changing course, starts to reverse, I'll be able to close this position and this position. But these positions here, I might let them try to reach full potential. So if I opened 2 trades here or 3, I'll close maybe half of my position and leave the rest half of my position to just realize that full potential. And of course, we have a potential of the market dropping all the way down here, so to 11,451. So these trades that I made up here, let them realize that full potential to see if the market will reach all the way down here. But for this, some of them I might close them depending on how the market goes. So I'm watching these key areas. And we'll see what happens with these key areas as the market goes on. Remember, these entries I made was on the first session of the week. So we have like 4 more sessions to see how NASDAQ will behave, and we'll be able to, in these 4 days, we might even realize more. So thanks for watching. If you are watching and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel for more content. Feel free to share the video or the channel to other people that are interested in trading. I'm Benzo, and my channel is Benzo the Trader. Thanks for watching, and I'll also do a video for on these trading patterns, the head and shoulder trading patterns, so that we are acquainted with it. So thanks for watching. I'm Benzo, and I'm out.